안녕하세요. 오늘은 단모음 single vowels. Let's start. Actually, 이응 has no sound value. 이응, it looks like alphabet O. That name is 이응. At the beginning of the syllable, it has no sound. It's silent. So, same. Same. But when you write the only one single vowel, you should write 이응 and Also, same way, 이응 has no sound value. It's silent. They are both of them 어. And this is also same. 이응 has no sound at the beginning of the syllable. Just 오. And let's practice the word 아기. 아기. 어머니. But can you see the second letter? That is M and O. So, 어머니. 네. 오이, cucumber. 잘했어요. Next letter is 우. Actually, it is the same. The first letter 이응 has no sound value. Just when you write the only one single vowel, you should add 이응 and 우. So, say 우. And E, like I-E sound. E. Both of them makes E sound. E. So practice the word. 우유, milk. 우유 주세요. 우유. 으르렁, roar. 으르렁. First letter 이응 has no sound value, just and there is l sound, so 르렁, 으르렁, roar. 으르렁. And tooth or teeth. In Korean, just 잘했어요, 여러분. 에. First one, apple, sound. Second one, egg, sound. So, first one, second one, 잘했어요. 잘했어요, 여러분. Let's review together. Let's review the single vowels. 아, 어, 오, 우. 한 번 더. 아, 어, 오, 우. 잘했어요. 으, 이, 에. 으, 이, 에. 잘했어요, 여러분. 여러분, 오늘도 함께 해주셔서 감사합니다. Thank you, everyone. Bye.